3, 2, 1, go. Hey kittens, and welcome to Nether Survival episode 3. Now, I have a little backstory. I just have to get it off my chest. I accidentally lost and deleted on accident the footage for episode 3 and 4. So now this is episode 3. Yeah, that happened. It was complicated. I was going through because there was one video that I wasn't too happy with, so I deleted it. And I guess I accidentally deleted those two as well. So now this is episode 3. So that's that. There's a lot of things that we have now. We have all kinds of things. So I need to show you all the thing. Hello puppy. It's in the overworld. For this, yeah. Have all these dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, no, I already had you. Yeah, like 6 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dogs. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So yeah, that happened. So that's what happened. So now this is episode 3, even though I made 2 whole episodes and then accidentally deleted them. Yep, that's what happened. Alright. So yeah, that's what happened. So we're gonna start this video with some building. Because I want to build a house. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but also I would like to address that I'm pretty sure I already addressed this in a different video of mine, but I have a new microphone. Yay. So if you can hear me better, that's why. Yeah, so yeah. I'm kind of blank for words because not gonna lie, oh my gosh. One moment. One measly little moment. Okay, we are back. So I'm actually kind of mad at myself for deleting that footage because I didn't want to delete it, but it happened. Things happen. Life goes on. Okay, so I'm very energetic at this moment. I still didn't get my axe. Do I even have an axe? I don't even think I have an axe. Do I have an axe? Do I have an axe? I'm not sure. There are dogs, and I don't know why. Okay. It's a baby. It's a full-on family. 2 parents and a baby. Okay, we have to name at least one wolf in this episode because we haven't named one. I also need to name my striders. Why haven't I done that? And I'm pretty sure that there is supposed to be a dog here. Or maybe that was the dog that's over by the Nether portal. I'm pretty sure it was. Hello, puppies. There you are. There you go. Do not make a child. I cannot just deal with another. Oh. You know, I haven't explored over here. So we need to do that in a different episode than this. Because we aren't supposed to be exploring. Oh, Oh, plus I need to find some nether wart. Hold on, let me just cheat. / give at s nether underscore wart underscore block 64. Guess what we're gonna do? Ha! Hee haw, hee haw. Owies. Are those new striders or are those my striders? Hold on. Hold up. Oh no! No, 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 no! I don't think I have keep inventory. No, 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 no! Puppy, chill out! You grew up. Oh, I need more steak. / give at s cooked underscore beef 64. Who hasn't gotten food? You haven't gotten food. You haven't gotten food. You haven't gotten food, and you haven't gotten food. Now I want y'all to see this really, really funny thing that they do. Okay, tilt and tilt and tilt and tilt and tilt and tilt. Oh, wait, you all have. Wait, did I give it to you? I don't think I gave it to you all. Okay. None more of this. None. No more of this nonsense. Okay. Oh. That was not very exciting. Wait. Culprit. Wait, can they get over? They can get under. Are you telling me I did all that for nothing? I died for nothing. I'm really nervous. Okay. I have it! Oh! We have a child! We have a child! Hey! Child! 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 Oh! We have a little child. You cannot tear this easily. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. Oh gosh, they're fast. Okay. Let's Okay, I think I need a saddle. But I don't have a saddle. / give at s saddle. Nope. I guess we don't need a saddle. It's very hard to control. Wait. Go. It doesn't want to do what I say. It's like llamas. Are you gonna follow me now? Are you gonna follow me now? Okay. Well, that didn't really work. No. Okay, let's just go and... Do you follow me? Do you want to follow me? I don't know. I don't think he wants to follow me. Because if he did, he'd be following. You kind of seem like you're trying to follow me, but you're very uncoordinated. Okay. Looks like we are not going to be able to do what I wanted to do today. because we are almost out of time for this episode, which is actually very sad. I don't know why I sounded happy, because I shouldn't be. Oh, baby. Wait. My suspicions. Did you just wait? Did you just teleport to me? No! You're gonna push me in lava! Oh my gosh. Hey! Oh! You're going! But you're not doing what I tell you! Ah! He's gonna die! What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I don't want him to die. I mean, he may not be perfect. But I mean, I still love him. I really don't want you to die. Guys, no.
Scotland discovered floor was lava.
I swear if you're one of my dogs, ooh, I'm gonna... Hey! You asked for... Oh my gosh. No, that's so sad. I can't do that. I can't do it. I can't do it. No. No. Why did I do that? No. Hey! Let me tame you! Curses! No! Nope. Doggy, you're not helping. Where? Curses, little dog. Why did that dog have to attack me? I didn't. Wait, are you? Oh, you're sweet. You're sweet. The other one is like a little demon. Oh my gosh. No. You will not die on me. You will not die on me. No, I can't let you die. No. Down but not out. Okay. Oh, I can't. No! Why did I just do that? My child! No! Come on! You can do it! Teleport to me! Oh! I died. I need to, but I'm not going to because no! It's all over here! No! No! It was right there! He was on fire! Guys, I know it's dead, but can you please show your support to that dog that just died, and leave a comment saying hashtag rest in peace in the comments below. It died. And please give me a name for it so I can add it to a graveyard that I will make soon. Thank you all for watching. That was a very eventful end to the episode. And I will see you next time. Goodbye, I guess. See you next time in a new video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss one of my new videos. And please comment down below hashtag rest in peace, no spaces.